This is a 2013 Mini Cooper, and we are replacing the side mirror. First thing we have to do is take the mirror and fold it in like that, and we will see a number 5 Allen head bolt. So we have to remove that. After we remove that bolt, swing the mirror towards the front, and we come over here on the other side, and we will see another number 5 Allen head bolt. So we have to remove that one now. Now there's nothing connecting the mirror to the door now, so it will come out partially like this, and now you can get at the electrical connection on the back of the mirror. I would suggest that you put a string or something around the wire so it doesn't fall in the door before you take the connector off the mirror. Here is the connector all off the mirror. If you look on the side of the connector, you will see the little locks right there. You'll push down on that and it'll rock her up on both sides. And that's how you get the connector off the mirror. Now to replace the mirror, all we have to do is reconnect our electrical connector and reverse our steps from this point on, and we'll have replaced our mirror on our Mini Cooper.